Soft tortillas filled with shredded lettuce, grilled corn salsa, and crispy morsels of fried cod, topped with a zesty lime mayo. Now here's a delicious meal idea. Try this fish tacos recipe. From start to finish, here's the rundown. We're gonna stir together a tasty corn salsa, then zip up a zesty lime mayonnaise. We're gonna batter and fry morsels of fresh cod and then nestle everything in a warm tortilla to create super delicious fish tacos. Fair warning, you may end up eating 2 or more because they are so delicious. Here's how to make them. We're gonna start by making a corn salsa. Grill is hot, corn is on. Corn gets grilled and golden, then cut away the kernels into a bowl. Add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, quartered, half of a red onion, finely chopped, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and diced. Add the juice from 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, and then a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Toss to combine. You can leave the salsa to the side for a second because up next, a zesty lime mayonnaise. Canister of a blender, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna add 1 cup of assorted herbs. You can use cilantro, dill, basil, you name it. Then add 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar, a teaspoon of sriracha or a hot sauce. Zip it up and then finish by adding kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Next up, we're getting ready to fry morsels of fresh cod, and for that, we need a really good batter for fried fish. This one is perfect. Into a medium-sized bowl, 1 cup unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon each, paprika, garlic powder, kosher salt, black pepper, whisk to combine. Then we're adding 1 cup of cold beer, whisk to combine. We're gonna add an egg, whisk it first, goes into the batter, and then blend until everything is combined. Place your batter close to stovetop. Next comes the fresh fish. Today I'm using cod, but you can also use haddock, halibut, tilapia, mahi-mahi. Any white fish works perfectly for this recipe. Pat the fish dry, then we're gonna cut it into thin strips. The fish goes by the batter near the stovetop. You're also gonna need a baking sheet onto which we're gonna place paper towel and then a wire rack. That baking sheet is for when the fish is fried and crispy. The fry is up next. I'm using Mazola corn oil today. I love the neutral flavoring and high smoke point. Pour about 1 inch of oil into a deep skillet. Temperature goes to medium-high. Your goal temperature is between 350 to 375 degrees. You can use a thermometer to get that temperature right. Oil's at temperature, let's fry the fish. Take a piece of the fish, dip it into the batter, let the excess batter drip away, then gently drop it into the hot oil. Add a few more pieces, then cook until golden. You can turn the fish over. Total cook time until golden, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. The fried fish goes onto the wire rack, and we continue. We'll repeat to cook up all the fish. I love that gorgeous, golden, crunchy crust. Next we assemble, and you can use your favorite corn or flour tortillas. I like to warm them for a moment or 2 in the hot skillet. Then over to your work surface, we're gonna add some shredded leaf lettuce, a few spoonfuls of the corn salsa. Let's add some avocado, maybe a few slices of jalapeno, then that crispy morsel of fish, drizzle that zesty lime mayo, a sprinkle of chopped cilantro on top. These fish tacos love being served with wedges of lime. Crisp, tender, flaky, fabulous. You ready to make them? Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when tacos are this delicious, take a picture of them, post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. You just gotta try this awesome fish tacos recipe. Dig in, everybody. Enjoy. Yum, beauty. Love, love, love. Oh, this is so good.